Hey guys, today let's learn how to view those protected tweets on Twitter without following. So is there actually a way that you could view those protected tweets on a protected account on Twitter? But I don't really want to be the bearer of bad news in this video, guys, but well, there is actually no other way to view those protected tweets if they are, well, unprotected. You just need to follow them. But there is a quick workaround on this, and all we need to do is to search for their username. So search for the username that you would like to follow and see the tweet of, and once you're already done searching for their username, you could now see, of course, that they are on a protected tweet profile. You need to search for their whole username and search for the results, whichever one which is shown. So as you see, you're gonna see a lot of different results about this guy, and as you see, of course, if in the case that they have interacted with some people that are on a public profile, their interactions with them, since of course that person is on a public profile, so basically they will see your interactions with them. And that's a quick workaround to just have a gist or some context of what their tweet is going to be about without necessarily seeing their tweets altogether, since they are still protected by Twitter's security. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.